Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will present how would you define management from your personal experience. In management, 2 plus 2 is never equal to 4. For example, habitual late arrival of employee. Number 2, employees not achieving deadlines on time. Management is defined as the pursuit of organizational goals effectively and efficiently by integrating the work of people through planning, organizing, mobilizing, budgeting, leading, and controlling the organization resources. Planning means you set goals and decide how to achieve them. That is called planning. Organizing is you arrange tasks, people, and other resources to accomplish the work. Controlling, you monitor performance, compare it with goals, and take corrective action as needed. Leading, you motivate, direct, influence people to work hard to achieve organizational goals. So here we can explain efficiency and effectiveness of management. Efficiency is getting the most outputs from the least amount of inputs. Doing things right. Effectiveness is completing activities so that organizational goals are attained, doing the right things. Resource usage is efficiency. Effectiveness means goal attained. Low cost, high attainment. Management strive for low resources, waste, high efficiency. High goal, high effectiveness. How would you define a manager? Each company and organization have managers. So here we can explain the roles of manager. First of all, let us explain definition of manager. Someone who works with and through other people by coordinating their work activities in order to accomplish organizational goal. To be a traffic manager, what skills should I cultivate? Now the 3 levels of management we can explain. Top management, here we need conceptual skills. Middle management, we need human resource skills. Low level management, technical skills. Managerial skills are technical knowledge of and proficiency in a certain specialized field. Human ability to work well with other people both individually and in a group. Conceptual ability to think and to conceptualize about abstract and complex situations. See the organization as a whole, understand the relationship among subordinates. See the organization as a whole, understand the relationship among subunits, visualize how the organization fits into its broader environment. To be an exceptional manager, what role should I play successfully? Management roles, specific categories of managerial behavior, interpersonal, involve people and duties that are symbolic in nature, informational, receiving, collecting, and disseminating information. Decisional, revolve around making choice. Emphasize that manager give to the various roles seems to change with their organization level. Leadership is playing a very important role in management. Outstanding leaders appeal to the heart of their followers, not their minds. Leadership is action, not position. Good leadership consists in showing average people how to do the work of superior people. Leadership is the ability to influence employee to voluntarily pursue organizational goal. I don't want to be just a manager, I want to be a leader. What is the difference between the two? Differences: being a manager, coping with complexity; being a leader, coping with change. What needs to be done: planning and budgeting. What needs to be done: setting a direction. Creating arrangement of people to accomplish agenda, organizing and staffing. Arrangement of people to accomplish an agenda, Ensure people do their job controlling and problem solving. Ensure people do their job motivating and inspiring. Power and authority. Authority is the right to perform a command. It comes with job. Power is the extent to which a person is able to influence others so they respond to orders. Five sources of power. Legitimate power influencing behavior because of one's formal position. Reward power influencing behavior by promising or giving reward. Expert power influencing behavior because of one's expertise. Referent power influencing behavior because of one's personal attraction. What is a human resource management? Define human. Human is a person rather than an animal or machine. This is the dictionary definition. Define resource. Resource can be defined as available resource of wealth or new of reserve supply that can be drawn upon when needed, a source of aid or support. Define management. Management can be defined as the process of coordinating work activities so that they are completed effectively and efficiently with and through other people. Human resource management can be defined a philosophy of people management based on the belief that human resources are unique, important to sustain business success. Origin of human resource management. Personal management. Definition of personal management. The profession of personal management has as its principal aim the tasks of ensuring the optimal use of human resource to the mutual benefit of the enterprise. Optimal use means working up to the maximum capacity. Mutual benefit is of employees and organization together. Is it really possible to achieve mutual benefit and optimal use together for any organization? Why or why not? Mutual benefits implies salary, freedom, autonomy, maximum relaxation, maximum benefits. Organizations, salary, control, authority, minimum relaxations, minimum expenditures. Relationship is contradictory, so how can we build mutual benefit? Consider the man as the most important resource of an organization. Human resource management function includes variety of activities, and key among them is deciding what staff is required. The most important thing which they have to do is to identify the variable for high performance. After defining variable, identify how to evaluate those variables. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video. Any comments will be highly appreciated. Please share and like it. Next video can be presented on the basis of your comments. Here I am concluding the session. Thank you very much.